So for the roots, you know what I'm thinking, to go a little bit with the CM, the chocolate mocha, which is the trend now. So I will go and take the 5 cm. I'm gonna take 1 ounce of 5 cm. I'm gonna take another color. It's gonna be the warm one, 5W. And then I'm gonna take an adjustment. My adjustment is gonna be like 1 shot of orange additive. And then, so I have 1 shot of orange additive, 1 ounce of 5 cm, 1 ounce of 5W using my developer because I need to deposit. Then I'm gonna take the 10 volume. So I'm gonna choose the hairdresser and then I'm gonna say dispense. So now I have my root colors ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna color from starting from the roots till this part, and I'm gonna try to make it more blended, you know, to don't make lines. So it's gonna be like freehand coloring. So this is gonna be the roots, and then we're gonna come back with the toner and the other shades and put it in the ends. So let's start. So now I'm gonna take the 9W for 2 ounce, and then I'm gonna ask for adjustment. I'm gonna take red additive, 3 shots, and then I'm gonna go to my adjustment and take from the violet additive, which is also 2 shots. And then I'm gonna go to my developer and ask for 10 volume for 2 ounce. And I will dispense color. Always before starting a color, I always like to use the Bond and Seal by Chi Royal treatment, which make the, you know, the balance the pH and seal all the ends. So why you're gonna see the color, it's all melted very well, and you can see the color really more shiny and the hair in better condition. So this is gonna be like shade of pinks because I want to see like that dark with melted with the shade of pinks there. And then we're gonna have the second color, so we're gonna blend. We're gonna do one pinkish, one more coppery, and it's gonna be all sun-kissed blended together. Here we have our second color, which is 9W and 8C. As you see, like it's more copperish. So what it's gonna be, I'm gonna blend it from here to here, and I'm gonna keep all the ends out to have that really nice blonde, you know, melted. So we're gonna have like pinkish shades, coppery shade, and the blonde shade all blended together. That's gonna be so nice. So after applying the 3 different color, customized color by the LGC Color Master Factory, as you see, like we have the dark brunette on the roots area, then it's melted, you know, kiss of pink here, and then we have the like coppery shade with the ends, we keep it blonde. So now we're gonna let it for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna wash and we're gonna show you the ends. What to protect the color, we need to use the Royal treatment, color gloss shampoo and conditioner. That's gonna let the color long lasting and protecting and more shiny and glossy. After shampoo, all we need is conditioner, just to close the cuticle and make the hair shiny and healthier. So before starting, I'm gonna mist the hair with the Bond and Seal, you know, the ends especially, just to seal all the ends. So guys, it's not necessary only when you are doing color, so you can use it also when you are doing like haircut or any blow dry, so you can use it. Okay, this is our final result. So look at this beautiful shiny hair color. the style, the cut. I think that suits her a lot. Are you happy, Ken?
I am.
Oh la la. Okay.